but no one believed me. I'm just reflecting back on how this rap shit got started.
And yo, my city's always happy conflicted. It's twisted out, my homies treating their bitches. The liquor and us brandy swigging. All our habits hereditary, we lawbreakers. Still underage in America, but boost us up, that's what the bottle do. Not talking Erica, my thoughts get wild. My first words were motherfuck the feds. Mama jammed up when I'm early, when I was just an egg. I laid to rest, hoes with my cobra, it's like a bayonet. Wake up and she said we compatible, then I got a jet. Used to be too nervous to show my skill, now they quote the kid. They know Andrea spit poisonous like the oil biz. Got the tools to make a lotus my whip, the tools to birth the monster. Got the charm to get hoes out their VS. I smoke the fattest L's, the more it burns, the less of the cells. The more I burn, it's like I'm entering hell. The more I earn, the more they pray that I fail. My old friends and my exes, regardless of the circumstances, I get cheddar forever, and that's real.
I embrace it. Caught in heavy smoke, it's like a whirlwind. If the world were to end today, I wouldn't be halfway satisfied with the marks I made. Though my progression's been real, a broader audience I'm now appealing to. Level-headed, just trying to remain the same me. Some people stay stagnant, got mad that I was rapping, but this was all part of the plan.
Always felt like I was destined for this.